This conference will now be recorded.
Am I audible? Hello. 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 Am I audible?
This
Thinking about that
conference
to
will
go for
now
the
be
Salesforce
recorded.
training.
Yeah.
Salesforce training, and what is your main motto? Just can you tell me?
Yeah, my name Chakrathar Dasari. Right now I am looking for Salesforce job in admin and developer. The reason I'm looking for Salesforce developer is right now the market is very good for the Salesforce. So basically I switched it to previously I worked as a testing engineer, but unfortunately my project was ended and market was very dull for the testing. So I'm a non-IT background. The reason I chose Salesforce admin initially, my friends recommended for that, but after that, they told like if I take the developer also, it will be very plus for me. So that's why I'm here.
Yes, good. So first of all, this is Salesforce. So this is Shubhoji. I'm a Salesforce trainer. I do have the 7 years plus of experience in total, and I'm currently working for an MNC, and I do provide the Salesforce admin training, like admin and development training with Lightning. Okay.
Okay.
So first part is, from the very beginning, we need to know that what is Salesforce. So anybody, any understand about the CRM? What is CRM? Yeah, Dibbanshu, you are not audible. Can you tell me?
Yes, I can. So basically, what I have like a little bit of understanding of CRM, it's like customer relationship management tool, you can say, in
Yes.
layman's term.
Yes. So basically, layman's term is very easy. That is, CRM is customer relationship management. Basically, the relationship between business and the customer, nothing else. Business and customer. Okay. And Salesforce has developed how we can improve our relationship for the business with the customer from the business perspective or business end. Okay. That's why they are using the CRM tool. Okay. Got my point? Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry for interrupt. Is there any possible? Would you share the screen where I can see the
I will share.
notes
I
like
will
that?
share. Yes, sure. I will share.
Yeah.
I'm just starting. Give me 1 minute. I'm just telling you something. Then I will share.
Yeah.
So CRM's purpose to improve the business, improve the relationship between business and the customer. And this is a Salesforce tool. Okay, we are using the Salesforce tool, and this is one of the tool which we are using to maintain the business. So this CRM tool there was previously Oracle CRM tool, Oracle Sales Cloud, Oracle Service Cloud, but Salesforce has introduced in a particular or in a particular tool everything: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Cloud, each and everything. Okay, so let me share my screen first. Just let me know once it's visible.
Okay.
Can you make me presenter?
Make you what?
Not you. I think whoever from the SSIT. Can you make me presenter? I'm not able to share. Screen button is not working. Hello. Screen button is not working.
So Vajit, this is Divyanshu.
Yes.
Actually, somehow, I was the presenter, so I just, assigned you. Actually, I don't know who assigned me as a presenter.
Okay, but still I'm not able to share my screen.
But I think I just assigned you from my side.
Oh, not to make attendee 013. Can you make me
Means
presenter as
now,
attendee 013?
now I can't make it because I just assigned you from my side, and actually it shows here
Okay, I
that
got it.
yeah, you are a presenter.
Okay, just give me a second. Okay, I'm checking. Just give me a
Okay.
second. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay. So Salesforce has multiple roles for the developers and the admins. Okay. So before that, I must say already you know.
Could you please zoom the screen, or is there any possible?
So are you seeing from mobile?
No, my laptop.
Is it fine?
Yeah, it's good now.
Okay. So as you guys already know how much the Salesforce has the market right now, there's a job boom is going on for the Salesforce. And first of all, Salesforce has introduced a new program, okay, Salesforce Journey, and they have created few of the groups for the in Telegram, and they provide the whatever the requirement is having for the India, US. So they have provided the update from the Salesforce saying that this is the job opportunity right now going in this area, and they have introduced that Salesforce Journey program also. Apart from that, so during the 2020, we have checked that out of the 10 base jobs, 2.5 is coming from Salesforce. So several tools are there, several market are there, several different technologies are there. Still, Salesforce is doing their best. It's only they are working only in CRM, nothing else. nowhere. So only CRM, they are providing 2.5 5 out of the 10 jobs, which are the best jobs in the world. Next, so Salesforce 2 have the 4 roles. Right now, 5. So Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, Salesforce consultant, and Salesforce technical architect. So for the technical architect purpose, I must say you guys must have 10 years of Salesforce experience. Then you can go for the technical architect part in Salesforce. That's different. Salesforce administrator, from a layman who has just graduated or just started with their career with IT, that's easy to move to the Salesforce administration part, and it is totally without coding part. No coding need to be done here. Salesforce is providing a tool or providing a or whatever we can do from the box, whatever in the box we can do with that. That is called as a out of the box functionality. They are providing few automation tools. We can achieve our maximum requirements with those tools. So that is called as a Salesforce administration or Salesforce administrator.
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce developer, which we can't do with those automation tool. Then we have to go for the customization. So customization means we have to write code. That is Apex, Lightning, Visual Force Page. Now currently Lightning Web Component, all the things. Okay, and there is also included in the Lightning we can use JavaScript jQuery, and whatever the Apex I am talking about, that is based on Java. Okay, that is based on OOPS concept. That is based on Java and OOPS concept. Okay, keep it in mind. So I don't know that whether you guys know already that OOPS concept or not. I will start from zero. I will try to start from zero. Okay, so whenever we are going for the customization part, I will start from the Java. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so Java, I need to one or two more classes if you don't know, because we have to prepare yourself for Apex part, and we have to start with that. We have to start with that, and this is the best way to learning the Salesforce development. You have to be expert on the Java and the Apex, not Java only Apex, but Java is the base of the Apex. Okay,
I
are
have
you
a
getting my
question.
points?
Basically, I'm a
Yes, sure.
knowledge background. So how it will work to me,
Mhm.
like you explain from basics or just go like what?
No, so Salesforce administration part is totally clear, right? So
Mm-hmm. Yes.
that is nothing with the coding or nothing with the whatever you are starting from the zero. I have also starting from zero that time
Mm-hmm.
when the Salesforce administration part is coming. So Salesforce developer, there is an advantage who has the OOPS concept. Okay, nothing else. They are getting 1 day's advantage. You will learn OOPS concept by a single day. I'm talking
Mm-hmm.
about the 8 hours, 10 hours. Okay, they have
Okay.
they have the concept how to write the code, how to create the objects like that. OOPS means object oriented programming. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
they have 8 and 10 hours advantage. So I will try to cope up with you because I will provide 2 days extra for this one only for the Java and OOPS concept. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
whether anyone doing or not, but I have to do because I know Apex is so much important. That is totally server side calling. So you have to, if you have to learn, you have to know OOPS and Java. Okay,
Okay.
and that's why whenever I'm starting with the customization part, I start with OOPS and Java.
Okay.
Okay, I think you are getting my points.
Yep.
Dipanshu, is it fine?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Another job is Salesforce consultant. So Sales Cloud. So Salesforce has introduced different clouds: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Business Development Cloud. Another cloud is B2C commerce, B2B commerce, Community Cloud. Okay. So this field service lightning consultant and all the things they are calling us Salesforce consultant. So if you have to be Salesforce consultant, so you must know Salesforce administration and developer part also. Both you need to know, then it's coming. So if you're going for the Salesforce developer, then you have to know Salesforce administration part. If you're going for the Salesforce consultant, you have to know the rest of the two parts, Salesforce administration and developer. If you have to know, if you're going for the Salesforce technical architect, then you have to know these three. Okay, that's the basic criteria. For the Salesforce consultant, there is multiple clouds, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and I will give you an introduction for the Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. the Service Cloud, why this is required and why not this is required. For the Service Cloud part, I can tell you, suppose you have an AC, okay, you have bought an AC 1 year or 1.5 years ago. So now you are facing some cooling problem there, okay. Might be there is a gas issue, or might be there is any kind of technical issue or like that, okay. So in that scenario, you are not able to find out. So what you do, you have a customer call center number, you can call them. So that is a toll-free number. Suppose I'm talking about the Voltas, or I'm talking about the Panasonic. So you have called them that yes, I'm facing this issue, so can you help me out, because this is already 1.5 years, so warranty period is over, so can you help me out. So they will raise your case on name of your name, on behalf of your name, and raise a case, and they will assign that particular case in your area, who their field service technician or their service technician is, if this their service technician is there in your area, so they will assign that particular case to him. So suppose you are in US, or you are in New York. So New York is totally a service territory, okay. So in the service territory, there are, suppose from the Panasonic side, there are 8 field technicians available, but in between the 8 field technicians, 8 are right now occupied with the different tasks. So that particular case will be assigned who is closest to that particular area. So suppose my home is in the New York somewhere. So and my closest whoever the field technician who is the closest of my home, so he will be assigned, because everyone is occupied. He is also occupied. Once he complete his first job, then he can check the queue and he will find out the second job and he will go for that. Okay. So this is the scenario. So case will be raised and case will be assigned by the customer executive, that I can check that this is the person who is already there. Okay, this is the person who is already there, and he, after he completion of that particular job, he can go there. Apart from that, if there are 8 people, 8 field technician, in between them that 5 technician is already occupied, but 3 technician is not. So they will find out whoever the 3 technicians and who is the closest to the assigned cases, whoever the customer's home, who is the closest. So he will assign that particular customer executive will assign that particular case to that particular technician who is the closest to the customer's home or customer's house. So then he will go there and assign to that particular case. After assigning, he will get the assignment. He will go to there and he will check whatever the assist problem. So he will find out there is cache issue and there is some of the material is not working properly. They have to change that. So field technician will ask you that if you agree to go for this, so this will be charged. Okay. So they will estimate that and they will provide a estimation of the charge. So after that, so suppose I'm the customer, I can say yes, I can go for you. Let's start. So he has solved the issue, and then whenever the everything is done, everything is working fine, they will give you a receipt and they will ask to give a signature that you are perfectly okay. And then field technician will call to the customer executive that this case has been raised. I was the assignee and I want, so customer is satisfied. Can you close this case? But after the call, customer executive will call you or call the customer and ask that if you are satisfied. So you will tell that yes, I am satisfied. Then only customer executive close that particular case, and the customer executive can open the case and can only close the case. No other person will have the access to close the case. Okay, no other person can have the access to close the case. Only customer executive who has opened the case only he or she can close the case. This is the part of the Service Cloud, how the Service Cloud is working. Okay, we are providing services and we are trying to provide as good as possible. That's why relationship can build better and better. So any question?
No, I think till now
Yeah,
it's
I'm
good.
good.
Yeah, everything is right? So this is
Yep.
a simple scenario I'm talking about. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So one of the part is Salesforce certification. If you're completion after the completion of the training, I must say you should complete at least two of these three certification. Okay, I can ask you for the administrator, platform builder, and the platform developer one. Okay, so basically administrator is the only for the administration part. After learning the or after completion of the administration training, you can go for that. Otherwise, for the developer, PD1 is the platform developer one is the totally development part. Platform app builder is the bridge of administration and the platform developer one, where you will find some of the customization question or some of the development question and as well as the administrator question. Okay, so certification is very much important for the Salesforce end, because for the each and every job is checking that how many certifications are there for there, so they will check. And there is a website where they can find easily that whether, so suppose you told them that I have 5 certification but actually you have 3, so they can easily find out that how many certification actually you have. Okay, there is a website. So apart from that, Salesforce CRM. So in the Salesforce CRM, there are 4 or 5 most important objects are there. So what is objects? Objects is basically where we store the records. Suppose you are creating bank accounts. So bank accounts is a record. Okay, bank accounts, the account number, account details are all are records under the record. But accounts, only accounts is the object. Okay, where we are storing the records. And suppose you have bank account and your contact details is already in the bank, so they you have shared your contact details with the in the bank details also. So your contact details, suppose your phone number, address, all are the records. Okay, all are the single records, but that is saving in the contact object. Okay, that is getting saved in the contact object. So this is the way account, contacts, opportunities, leads, and case. Case, I have introduced the case just few minutes back, that how the case is important to us, how we can solve the case, we can open the case and we can close the case. Apart from that, account, contact, lead, opportunities are most of the important objects. Okay, how this is important and why this is important in the CRM. Suppose after your college session was over, you are just roaming around in front of your college. Okay, suppose one guy who is providing this leaflet of KFC. Okay, just providing the leaflet of KFC. There is some discount is going on Friday. Suppose on the chicken burger they are providing 50% discount. Okay, so they are providing this leaflet, and whenever that particular leaflet, so you have taken them. So on that scenario, you are becoming lead to them. From the KFC's point of view, you are becoming lead to them, because you are taking that particular leaflet where that is totally mentioned that we are providing 50% discount on chicken burger on Friday. There is a discount code also. Okay, so whenever you are taking that particular leaflet, that time you are becoming the lead to KFC, that you might be a customer, might not be a customer, but you have taken that. So there is a 50-50 chance or 50-50 probability that you might be a customer or might be an opportunity to them to sell the products. Okay, so this is the point of view on the sales cloud. Okay, so now you went to home and you have checked that again you have checked that particular leaflet and you thought, okay, there is a 50% discount, so this is a so low price, I can go for them. At least I didn't before that, this is the first time for me, I can go for at least one time. So you have, there is a contact number of the KFC and you call them. So whenever you are calling them, so that time you become an opportunity to KFC. Now they are thinking, this guy was interested or not, they are not sure, but you, whenever you are calling them, that means you are 100% interested, that's why you have called by yourself. So in this scenario, lead becomes opportunity. lead becomes opportunity whenever you are calling to KFC. Okay, on whenever you are calling to KFC has received the particular call, and they have told them, yes, we are going for this offer on the Friday. So what kind of order your preference? So you are going for the chicken burger. Okay, once you order them, and whenever you order them, you have to provide your contact details, because they will serve that particular product to your home. So they will serve the product. That's why they need your contact number, your address, and the details. Okay. So in this scenario, fast lead become opportunities, and opportunities become contacts. So from opportunities, they will get your contact and contact details. Whenever they are saving your contact and contact details, that time they are also creating an account on your name. Okay, why this is I'm coming to later, but they will create contact and account in a single click. Okay, because of that, why they are creating account, I'm coming to the later point of view. So but they need your contact on that particular time, because they have to serve that food to your home. So now, so whenever contact and account is been created in a single time, that is called as person account. Okay, that is called as person account. Just check the term, person account. So whenever the contact, they got your contact details, and now they will serve particular food to your home, and that's fine. That is done, and lead become opportunity to contact, and everything is done. Now you generally give order for the after 15 days or 20 days. So now KFC is checking. So suppose KFC is checking their all the accounts, their customers' accounts, that whose preference is which food, and how after how many days they are generally provide the order. So now they have checked. They find out that you didn't give any order for the last 2.5 months. Okay, but you generally provide the order after just 15 days or 20 days. Okay, and that's why the account is important. Okay, because they can track that which product you are using, or which product you are ordering, and which product is preference for you. Okay, suppose you have given the 8 times orders. Out of the 8 times, you have given 4 times only chicken burger. So they can able to easily find out that chicken burger is always your preference. Okay, so your preferable food is chicken burger. Now they thought, okay, I got his details, so I can give him particularly to this customer 40% discount on chicken burger. Okay, they will check your contact details, they will take your contact number, and they will send a coupon code that on Wednesday to Friday we are giving 40% discount on the chicken burger. Okay, so this is the account is that's why the account is important. They can track all the details, all the things, that whatever has been done by this account or by this customer, they can track it. So in this scenario, they have checked and they have sent the coupon code. Now you are whenever you check your message, you find out that particular code, and you think, okay, I didn't order for the last 2.5 months. I can go for it now because there is a 40% discount is going on. Okay. So this is the scenario for the Sales Cloud. How they are trying to build up their business, grow their business, and an improvement of the relationship with the customer. Basically they are improving the relationship, because you are not getting any discount for the last 2.5 months. Now suddenly you are getting the discount 40%. So that is because you are thinking about the good, or good you are asking for you are providing a good impression. Actually, because of that, they are providing the 40% discount, or KFC or McDonald's is providing the 40% discount suddenly. So you can go for it, and you are thinking, okay, they're very good, they're thinking about the customers, but I'm not going to providing the order for the last 2.5 months. Then now I can go for it because that is so less. So this is the way basically to building the relationship with the customers on the Sales Cloud perspective. Okay, any question?
Yeah, I have a question. So means how these, means analytics are, means run, in the back end of it. I'm sorry.
Come again.
So you just told that, means as per your activity, it means the company can, check means how soon you're ordering, and when did you like last order, right? From that company.
Yes.
So means
Yes.
so means how this so it's all about like analytics, right? And analytics
Yes.
means so how is it like running means on which platform? Because I know a little bit of Salesforce. I know like there is some
Mm,
a technology called
web
Einstein.
analytics you were talking about.
Yeah, the Einstein
Acha,
also.
Einstein search. Okay.
Yeah.
So Einstein actually introduced new. So last 2.5 years they are working with the Einstein search and Einstein thing. So
Okay.
from the Einstein point of view, they can easily find out that just that is just one button click. Then no need to analyze. Just one button click that how many orders he has provided and when he has provided the last order. Okay, that is just one button click. That is the Einstein search, and you have to buy the license for the Einstein. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So apart from that, previously what Salesforce customers generally do, they have find out that they can export one Excel and they can find out from the Excel that how many orders he has actually provided from the last 2 months and
Okay.
when he has provided the particular last date when he has provided the last order. So that's
Okay.
the thing. That's the kind of scenario.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
So Dasari, any question?
I'm good.
Good, right? I'm just giving you a simple example to understand the CRM.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it right. Okay, that's great. So product and services offered by Salesforce. So Salesforce has introduced some of the more products, as I've told you, B2C, B2B customer and all the things. But previously that is was Sales Cloud, Sales Process Opportunity Lead product, Price Books, Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is totally different, totally a different org. Salesforce developer, I'm Salesforce developer. I'm Salesforce trainer, but I'm not the Salesforce Marketing Cloud trainer. That is totally different because they have given the org for the Salesforce development. It's totally free, but whenever the Marketing Cloud comes in, you can't practice. Once you get the developer org, that is not free. You have to buy this license. For the Service Cloud, I've told you about the customer service community, basically creating the website. Okay, from the Salesforce point of view, from the Salesforce end, you can create the one website. Okay, so you no need to write, no need to create a new website or new. You have to buy the domain and everything. No need to do it. If you're using the community cloud, you can create the community, and that is a new website for you.
Okay.
App, there is a multiple apps are there, and mobile app is Salesforce One. Okay, which Salesforce has introduced previously. That is the Salesforce One, the mobile app. It is available, I think, Android and as well as iPhone.
Okay.
So one of the part is Commerce Cloud, IoT system integrated with the various IoT devices, and Health Cloud. So Viva CRM, that there is the Viva CRM, and these things, is only used for the healthcare on the domain, for the healthcare domain and the life science domain. Okay, this is the Viva CRM, and Viva CRM is basically without customization they are doing everything. This is one of the product. Not every company are using, but currently many of the life sciences on the life science domain, on the healthcare domain, they are using the Viva CRM, and this is totally based on the administration part. Okay,
Okay.
so apart from that, I will start from next session, that how this is coming and what kind of Salesforce edition we can get. And we will create whenever we are starting the training session. First, we will create one developer account that is totally free. Okay, I will send a link to you in the next session, and where we can create the developer account, free developer account. Okay, and then we have to create the Trailhead. So what is Trailhead account? So basically, Trailhead account, Salesforce has introduced a learning platform. Okay, and that is very much helpful for each and every Salesforce developer or Salesforce administrator, because whatever the things you want to learn, you can find out the Trailhead from the Salesforce end. Actually, so whatever you want to learn from the Salesforce perspective, so you can find out in the Trailhead. And Trailhead, there is a details, examples, and exercises also. If you need to want to practice, you can do it also there. So that is the Salesforce Trailhead. Okay.
Okay.
And I must say, we have 25 to 27 days for this training sessions. First 12 days, I will go for the. I will start with the administration part. First 12 days, we are working with the administration. So then we will move to the coding part, customization part, and the lightning part. That will take more than 13 to 14 days. More than 13 to 14 days. Okay.
Okay.
So this is where I generally create uh, my training scenarios of the training, all the training courses. Okay, and I will share my training courses, and just let me know if you want to add anything, or if you want to remove anything, you can tell me. But this is the training courses I do generally provide. Okay, if you need anything more, so you have to come. You have to come and you tell me that you want to know. Suppose like Einstein search or Einstein, that is totally different. Okay, suppose like FSL, that is different managed package. So these are the totally different. That is not part of my courses. So main part of my courses is admin, development, and lightning. Okay, and you know the lightning is currently a boom for the job market. If you know
Yeah.
lightning, so that is very much helpful for the each and every customer. They can help you. They can ask you to develop everything with the lightning. So the UI will be much better. Okay,
Yep.
basically previously Salesforce is using Visual Force pages. The UI was not good, so they have
Yeah.
introduced Lightning, and UI is much better right now.
Exactly. Yeah. That's true.
So I will share this my training courses, all the details. This is the Salesforce admin part, and this is the Salesforce development Apex, and the last is will be Lightning. Salesforce Lightning part. So any question from the Shadi and the Vanshu?
Not now. I think I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, everything is fine, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Any point where which you can't able to understand?
Means now, means I think the things you are telling right now, I think I know a little bit of it's about Salesforce. So these are things I know already.
Okay,
Yeah.
Dibanshu is fine.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
Okay. Okay. So I'm ending today's demo session, and let me know if you're comfortable with my training demo. Then we can
Okay.
start the session for the next.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you, everyone. Bye for
Thanks.
now.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Take care.